ID. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Don't do this. Wait a second. I got a medical condition.
Get him cuffed. Get him cuffed.
It is cuffed.
Get him cuffed. Get him cuffed.
For crying out loud, you're a cop, you're not an ass.
No, wait, I can't. You're fucking my head up. The seatbelt's in place.
On July 7, 2020, in Columbus, Ohio, an encounter between a federal agent and local police quickly escalated into a tense and controversial situation. ATF Special Agent James Burke claims he was attempting to retrieve a firearm as part of his duties when responding Columbus officers confronted him at gunpoint. What happened next sparked a lawsuit, national debate, and questions about coordination between local and federal law enforcement. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey, turn around. Let me see your hands. Turn around. Let me see your hands. Okay, let me see your hands. I need to see some ID. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground.
What is your deal?
Get on the ground now.
I'm a federal agent.
917-110-3.
I'm a federal agent.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. I'm a federal agent.
Why wouldn't you show me your ID when I got here? Don't move forward.
You didn't ask for it.
He is at 335.
Get on the ground. We'll figure it out.
On that 10-8.
Not getting on the ground.
Well, then stay where you're at.
I'll stay where I'm at.
Fine. Why do you got to make this harder than it is?
Listen, I'm not getting on.
I have no problem making this.
I just want to see if anybody from 3 Precinct can respond as well.
You're the one overreacting.
I'm not overreacting. We got a call that someone's impersonating a police officer out here who doesn't have ID.
No kidding, because she doesn't want to open it.
Okay, get on the ground so I can find out who you are.
It ain't happening.
Okay, fine.
It's not happening.
Fine. Do you think I'm a police officer or something? What the heck's the matter with you? Who do you think you are? Get on the ground.
I'm not getting on the
Chopper,
ground.
thanks.
I'm not getting
91-7, I'm pulling up.
I got my ID.
Do not reach for your waist. Keep your hands up.
Dude, why would I have an O-leg shit?
Get your hands up.
There,
Get on the ground.
Face down now.
Now.
Face down!
You guys are making a big mistake.
You are the one making the mistake.
Settle down. Face down, now! All the way down! All the way! All the way!
You got my IDs right here, left pocket. Left pocket.
And we're gonna put your arm behind your back.
Wait a second.
Do not resist.
I'm not resisting.
You're acting like a
No,
moron.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Don't do this. Wait a second. I got a medical condition. Get my license out of my pocket.
We're getting you secured first.
Please, wait. No. Hold on. I'm hyperventilating. Please, sir. I'm not.
Stop resisting
Would you
now.
please get my ID out of my left pocket?
Stop
I'm
resisting.
begging you. My wife, please. It's right here. Please get it.
I got one cuff on. Get your
Help me up. Just hold me up. Sir, I can't do this. Sir,
Stop resisting now!
please help me. Sir, please.
Joe, get your taser out. My
My
taser. Get
federal
your taser out.
cred.
Get your taser out, Joe.
No, don't do that, please.
Don't make me tase
You're
you.
gonna get tased. Put your right arm behind your back. Put your right arm behind
Help
your
me
back.
up.
No,
Help me up.
no, you're gonna stay on the ground and put your right arm behind your back.
Let me breathe.
You can breathe just fine.
Ow, don't do that. Okay. Here.
Get him cuffed. Get him cuffed.
It is cuffed.
Get him cuffed. Get him cuffed.
I'm on that now.
Wait a second.
Copy.
Sir, please help me up. Please.
Get this kid.
I'm a federal agent. My God, my gun.
You have no idea what you are, acting the way you are.
Sir.
Who the heck do you think you are acting like this?
Somebody. I wanted you to see my goddamn cred. The lady was freaking out, for Christ's sake.
Your chopper, we're 2 minutes away.
Sir, please.
Copy.
Please.
We
My
got him
God.
secured.
Sir.
Roll over. Sit up.
Copy. Shut
It's
down
in
the
my
three.
God.
Sit
I
up.
showed her my
Sit up.
creds.
Let him sit up. Let
I
him sit up.
showed her my goddamn creds, for Christ's sake. Right there, left pocket. Left pocket, cargo pocket. Please take it out.
They don't try and
Guys, I get it. I fucking get it.
Then
Well,
you
then
should've
why
been
would you
handed
act the way you did?
Sir,
What's the
I
matter
wanted
with
you
you?
to see my creds, for Christ's sake. My God, I'm here to fucking talk
No,
to her.
you're the one that's in the wrong.
Sir,
You know if you have interaction with the police, you obey commands.
sir, I was trying to get
No, you didn't obey the commands.
Sir, I'm with you guys, for Christ's sake. I'm a fucking federal agent.
Who's your supervisor? What's
Woo!
his name? What's your supervisor's name?
Hang on a second. The SAC is currently John McPherson, who's on his way out to retire, who will soon be rolling.
Took the mag out.
My God. This is crazy.
You ought to be ashamed of yourself.
Sir, I'm not trying to be ashamed of myself. I just wish you'd say, let me see.
Get in the car.
Head.
Get in the car.
Sir, please. Yeah. Sir, I'm just trying to do my job.
Just get in the car. Why would you make us do this?
I didn't want you to. I wanted to. Wait.
No, you knew what you were doing.
Sir, calm down.
Relax.
Sir, hey, guys, please, just talk to me for 1 second, please.
Get in the car.
No,
We'll
wait.
talk later.
Sir, wait.
You had your chance.
No, I was trying to give you my creds. You didn't let me show them to you.
You never once tried.
I did.
Get in the car.
Wait.
Now!
Have a seat. Please, wait, I gotta breathe.
Okay,
Please, sir, let me breathe.
Sit down and breathe.
Let me breathe. I have a medical condition.
We're going to get air to you. Get
No,
your legs
no.
in. Get your
Sir.
legs in. We're closing this door.
Sir,
Get your legs in.
I need air. Sir, please, call an ambulance. I'm asking for an
We
ambulance.
got a medic coming. Get in the car.
Sir, I don't need the medic. The taser didn't bother
You
me.
just said call an ambulance if you don't need a
Yeah, now you don't want one. Get in the car.
in the car. Get all
Sir,
the way
I
in.
can't
I'll
breathe.
go around.
Wait, sir.
Yeah, if you got Dublin cars close, keep them coming.
Wait, how did
We
this
can't get them in the car.
happen? Okay.
You're an idiot. For crying out loud. You're a cop. You know how to act.
No,
the heck's the
wait,
matter
I
with you?
can't. You're fucking my head up. The seatbelt's in place. Please.
Why would you act like this?
I didn't act anyway. Please, sir.
If you are a real police officer, you ought to be ashamed of
I
yourself.
was trying to give you my creds.
The gun's up.
Sir, I was trying to give you my Sir! Sir!
Put this on your dash. Dude, he wouldn't do anything I'm trying to tell him. Sorry.
Please call my
The chopper way overhead. I think they got him in the cruiser.
Yeah, we got him in the cruiser. We need a supervisor. We're used to taser.
17 copy. Okay. Chopper, you got another unit from, I'm not sure what jurisdiction, pulling up with him. 24s, I think 24s, number on the cruiser.
It's Dublin. We got him in the car.
Copy, Dublin, FC.
He might even be a real cop, but he wouldn't tell us,
everything
wouldn't
looks fine
do
here.
anything, wouldn't get on the ground. I mean, what the
The guy
heck?
in the cruiser will go ahead and clear.
You bet.
I don't believe they're looking for anybody else.
We had to taser him, so we got a medic coming.
Yeah, we canceled our units and now we heard you guys marked up again.
Well, that's what we thought, but then he wouldn't get in the car.
Trying to get in on his houses.
If he is an actual police officer, he ought to be ashamed of himself.
I'm not. I'm trying to
You're not. You're right. You're not.
see my creds.
Yeah. No, you screwed up, you bet. First thing he should have had his badges out when I got here. Wouldn't get on the ground, wouldn't comply with anything.
Outside the whole time.
I think so. We got to get him as a witness, yeah. Hey, will you get his information? You saw everything, right? Thank you. I'm going to just put this stuff on your hood. Whenever the sergeant gets here, we'll call his supervisor.
I'm not letting him handle. I'm not
Yep,
fucking in.
at this point. Dude, you saw how he was. He wouldn't comply. No, you never, no.
Don't even
It's all on video.
Don't even argue with him. Just let him yell. Just let him yell.
We get a drink of water. Yeah, we had to use the taser, just a drive stun.
Okay.
But he's got a medic. He says he's got some condition. He may even really be a police officer. He's got a badge, but he wouldn't do anything, wouldn't get on the ground. I told him over and over to get on the ground. He wouldn't comply with anything. We had to tase him.
All
He
right.
fought with us the whole time. Wouldn't get in the car. If he is a real police
You guys
officer.
heard anything?
No, we're not.
Okay. Okay.
No, I do got him. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Did we get him all a good pat down on him and everything?
Not really.
We got 133 off him.
I gave her my name. I
gave her my badge number. And when the officer
170. Anybody else running it in, can shut it down.
I got out, I went to reach for
Let me get a drink of water.
Copy. Anyone on the 60 can shut it down.
It's a very close.
You got the camera going?
When we actually came together, you knocked mine off.
I saw yours go fine. I wasn't sure it was. Mine should be still working.
Got my damn taser. That's why I told you to go for yours.
Okay. I was thinking we were going to get him, but that was the only way to get him. That we had to tase him. That was the only way to get him cuffed. He was strong. So his supervisor is going to need to come to scene after the way he acted. It's all on video.
He's got a good looking badge.
He very well may be. But you know what? When a Columbus police officer, yeah.
Buddy, you're good. Don't worry about it.
I know. He remarkably, he said over and over, "I'm not getting on the ground. I will not." I'm like, okay.
That's not how this works.
I said, you obviously don't know what's going on then. If he's here to work a warrant by himself, there's something strange about that too.
Something about it. Got info. Her wife, her husband bought a shotgun or something. He was here to follow up on some shotgun purchase.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's NFTA or CP, I don't know.
Who knows? You got witnesses info. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
You want him to hang out? Sergeant might want to have a word with you. Just have him hang out for a second.
If you will, hang out. The sergeant may want to talk to you.
Yeah.
Thank you. You saw everything, right?
Which sergeant is that?
What's that?
The supervisor.
He's right there. Give him a second, though.
Oh, yeah,
He's
yeah.
still figuring out what's going on, but he'll probably want. You saw everything, right?
Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
You're Mike, right?
Okay.
Yes, Mike
Okay.
Cutter.
So
Yes.
359, the original caller?
I guess.
Coleman's going to talk to you just a few minutes.
No
Probably. Yeah.
We need to talk to her.
Thank you so much for the service.
Oh, thank you. We
I love you
appreciate
guys,
it. Thank you.
and I know what you guys do.
Are you guys the ones that originally called?
Yes.
Okay. What did he say to you when he was talking to you?
I have to open the door because he's a police. I tell him I can't open the door because my husband.
For officers on edge, bro, we were finally able to get
He said you have to open the door. I tell him I'm sorry, I can't. Stay with my kids. My kids start crying because they afraid. And I tell him you
Did he
have
ever try to?
wait.
Did he ever try and break the door or anything like that?
Yes, he is still knock and he say I will stay here until evening if you don't open
Okay.
the door because you
Okay.
are liar.
Okay. Very good. There's a chance the sergeant might want to talk to you, so thank you very much. Okay. Good.
I
Thanks, Dee.
appreciate your hard work. Thank you. You have a driver's license?
What's he got?
Body armor.
Hey, there's a chance he may even be legit. Who knows?
But she said that he grabbed the handle and tried to push it open.
Yeah. They said it. We put it as an 8 that he's trying to break in.
Well, no,
That's
she
why I
said
thought he's working the
forcibly
58 by
grabbed the
himself. Yeah. We got what the run says. We got my video. Yeah. Oh, it's just ridiculous. It's just plain. In these days, we got people like this. I told him, I said, if you are a real police officer, you should be ashamed.
Like this, and Joe's over ordering around. He's like, no, I'm going to show you my credit. You know, Joe said, no, you need to get down. He had a gun going.
I said, we'll figure that out after you get on the ground.
After both of us pointed our guns, and he finally started getting on the ground, then with handcuffs, he's like, no. And he tried to pull like this and tried to not let us handcuff him.
So we got one cuff on. We couldn't get the other one on. I had to drive stun him. Yep. Where's my taser cartridge at? You see it?
It has to be over in the grass, probably.
Yeah, I just pushed it off. Maybe it's.
You were basically right here.
Yeah, it was right here.
You might have fallen down underneath there.
I don't see it under there.
There's a spot underneath the grass. That
Thing that looks just like this. Or did we set it on your car? No, that was all the stuff.
I saw something
Yeah,
said
you have,
on your
You see one of these? We're looking for one still.
and,
Yeah.
and Carl,
How you guys doing?
Good, good. And listen, somewhere this has vanished. I threw it off in the fight, and who knows where it went.
A full one?
Yeah, because I drive stunned him, yeah.
Everything else.
Well, I was all the way down by Morris and.
I appreciate it, dude. We thought it was fine, but then he wouldn't get in the car. It's like, okay. He's a big, strong guy. I don't see it.
Nothing on.
Okay, thank you.
God bless.
Yeah.
Is it possible that I saw you put some stuff?
Maybe yeah, let me look over here. Maybe I did put it in the car, I'll see. Yeah, I got it, it's here. I didn't realize I put it in the car. Yep.
Tell your supervisor what a nice job.
Thank you. Thank you.
I gotta tell him.
Okay.
You know,
very
when
good.
The people have complained, they complain, but when they gotta appreciate that we never.
We sure try. That's the sergeant. If you want to go and see if you can talk to you can. It's up to you.
Yeah.
He may wait till he's ready.
Yeah,
but
I bet.
thank you so much.
He have gone to.
He did have a gun. Yes. He very well may be a real police officer, but he wasn't following protocol. Yep.
I doubt it very much.
Yep.
I doubt it very much. He's a police officer.
Thank you.
I promise you.
Thank you.
No way. Thank you.
Oh, that sure would have made it easier.
Well, no, if I'd have reached for it, I didn't even realize I had it on. But I can't.
You want me to turn the camera off?
Let's turn our camera.
The confrontation between Agent Burke and Columbus officers led to a civil lawsuit and, years later, a settlement of nearly $2 million. The case continues to raise concerns about law enforcement communication and the verification of credentials in high-risk encounters. What do you think? Were the officers justified, or did they go too far? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more law enforcement body cam breakdowns.